Okay, so what is up, guys? It's Kagan here again, and I am hanging out with Tayo Aina Films. He is a content creator. He also has a YouTube channel just like myself. And today we're hanging out at Eko Atlantic.
Yeah, Eko Atlantic.
Right,
Giddy Apartments.
Giddy Apartments, Eko Atlantic.
Yes.
And we thought we'd just do like a quick Q&A session, hang out with the big man, ask him some questions.
Not big man.
Does this.
No, not big man.
How he does his thing and whatnot. So we're just going to get right into it so we don't waste your time. And of course, you can check the description for a link to his channel. So you can subscribe to him. Have you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark?
No, not yet.
Okay, so you guys go subscribe to his channel so you can hit, and make some
1,000, yes. Let's see, make your money.
Yeah, so this is a very important question because we're Nigerian.
Okay.
I'm Nigerian. I know how weird people look at me, even when I'm at the mall vlogging with a camera.
Oh, you do that?
Yes, I do. I vlog.
In Nigeria, you stand and
yes, and I walk through the
and
mall.
you talk to your camera?
Yes, I do.
How do they? I'm wondering how they look at you.
Exactly. I know how weird people look at me when I do that. Which now brings me to the question, do you ever face any challenges when you just decide to pull out your camera in public and start flying a drone?
Yes.
Stuff? Do people ever harass you? Do you ever get problems with that?
Most of the drone flying I've done, they are more in controlled environments.
I see.
So I obviously wouldn't, because of where I am, Lagos, Nigeria, and I've had issues with area boys on the road, where I just it wasn't even a drone. It was just my camera, and it was just on my neck. I was just carrying it, and I was at Marina, and they stopped me, and there were 6 of them, and they collected my camera, and I had to pay money before I could get it back. So since that day, I learned my lesson. When it comes to flying drones, I don't fly I don't take off from any uncontrolled environment. I can fly in uncontrolled, but taking off, where I'm going to take off and where I'm going to land has to be controlled, somewhere safe and secure.
That makes sense.
What made you start creating content?
What made me start creating content? Okay, first off, money. I know that sounds terribly cliche. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't want to lie to you guys.
It's true.
I didn't start creating content from video. I have been a blogger for almost 6 years before.
A vlogger or a blogger?
Blogger.
Oh, okay.
Before I started, creating videos. And the reason why I started blogging was because I had friends that time, and we kind of discovered this, we call it the Facebook hack, where almost anything you post can go viral. So you just create a post that people are interested in, go viral on Facebook, make a shit ton of money, from AdSense, stuff like that. So I've been creating content mostly because the money was good. But then after a while, of course, the hack went away. And naturally, your desire to create content should go away with the hack. But that didn't happen to me. I created more blogs. Sometimes I even spent more than I was making on the blogs. It's how I realized that it's actually something that I enjoy. And I grew up in Nigeria, and most Nigerian parents, families, they always tell their children, go to school, study medicine, engineering, law, be a lawyer, etc. If you are not one of those 3 things in Nigeria, there are some parents in Nigeria that think you failed or you didn't succeed.
Very, very.
And
correct.
for a very long time, I was kind of influenced by that opinion. And, I actually wanted to go to school to study medicine, which was a terrible mistake. Eventually, I found my feet. And when I did, I was able to decide, okay, you know what I enjoy doing is creating content. So let me just do that. And about 17 months ago, I shot my first video for YouTube.
17 months ago?
Yes, it was January.
Yeah, and a half.
Yeah, it was January 1st, 2017 that I shot and edited my first video. It was a terrible video, by the way. Don't go and watch that. It sucked.
Okay, so you have it on your channel.
I will never take it down. It's going to be there for everybody to see.
Okay.
But it was a terrible video, but it was a great place to start because I grew very quickly from there, and it's been fun ever since. So about the technical difficulties you were talking about earlier, with the signal with your Mavic.
Yeah, the Mavic Air. Okay, the Mavic Air normally is supposed to have it doesn't use OcuSync. OcuSync is I think is a different type of signal strength for drones.
Okay.
So there's OcuSync and there's Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So the Mavic Air and the Spark, both of them use Wi-Fi, which limits their range.
Right.
Both of them. Then the other drones use OcuSync, so they can go farther. I think Phantom 4 Pro can go as far as 7 kilometers.
That's
but Mavic Air most of the tests I've seen some tests online where they said 4 kilometers, but I really doubt that. The highest I've gone was like, let's say, like 1.5 kilometers.
Wow, that's terrible.
So.
Wow.
And also,
okay, so would you ever fly a drone over like water?
Yeah.
Where in front of Eko Atlantic right now, I see a huge, what I call this ocean in front of us. Would you ever fly?
Yeah, I've actually flown the drone. My former drone, I flew it a lot over water. A lot. The first time was scary though, but after then I flew it a lot over water. So the Mavic Air, I've flown it once over one of my last videos. Okay. I flew it once over water. But it wasn't like far like that. Who inspires you to create content? Or who inspired you to start creating content?
Who inspires me? Who inspired me? Yes, absolutely. Primarily, when I started doing YouTube videos, I really sucked at it, like I said before.
Yes.
But like I grew very quickly because I was creating a lot of videos. And my focus as a creator shifted. Like primarily now, my number one job as a creator is I'm a colorist.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I color for like, Hollywood actor reels, short scenes in movies, sitcoms, things like that. So being a colorist, it's always fun to watch somebody that you can say, wow, his coloring is so good. I want to be like that someday. Okay. And the person who I would say kills that hands down, he has never made a bad video. I have never seen him color a video that didn't want to make me die. Like, it's Christian McGrath. Christian McGrath. I know him. Is a god in my opinion. Like, I watch his coloring and in his videos he still says things like he's not how does he put it? He says that he's not a professional colorist, and it just makes me laugh. Like, how can somebody be this good at something and say I'm not a colorist? Go and learn from other people who are professional. Like, dude, you're like the greatest colorist I have seen on this entire platform. Like, he's the only YouTuber that I have notifications turned on, like the bell icon, and when he posts, I don't postpone it and say I'll watch it later. I'll watch it when I get home. If I am in the shower and my phone bleeps and it's Christian McGrath, I am watching that video inside that shower. Like, the content is that good, the coloring is that good. You just watch every video and you're just satisfied inside. It's like the Holy Spirit has touched you. You know? It's like, it's so deep. The content is so good. I love him so much. I just can't. And then if you watch like his channel, you notice he shoots his girlfriend a lot. Yeah. He shoots his girlfriend a lot. So like, I know the person. There's no way you love him and not love his girlfriend. So I love the both of you guys. Yeah, amazing. You probably never see this video, but they may actually see it. They may actually. Funny enough. But yes, Christian McGrath, you are awesome. God bless you. Like, every time I watch your videos, I'm inspired to a new level. To create and to try other and to color other. And like, if I spend 6 hours coloring a video, I just imagine Christian will spend 8 hours or 10 hours and I'll put in the extra hours and make it better. Thank you so much. You're part of the reasons why I'm making so much money from YouTube. God bless you. Yes. So I just have one last question. Okay. Why did you start creating and why did you continue to create?
Well, creating has always been something that has always been ingrained in me. Like when I was in primary 2, I think, or primary 3, I had this business where I was selling sweets. I used to use my food money for a week. I used to buy a packet of sweets. I think it was buttermint. Then I sold it to students. Buttermints are milkers. I used to lick like half, but I still used to sell. So right from that, I always had this whole business creating mindset. Like I always try to create something and just watch it grow. Right. So my love for YouTube actually came when I started with pictures. I started taking pictures, then from there I moved into moving pictures, which are videos. Right. Then from there I said, okay, pictures, videos. Then I started watching more YouTube content to learn more about filmmaking. Most of what I know about filmmaking I learned online. Right. Then I think one of the people that I think inspired me was Casey Neistat. So I saw his content and I was like, oh, this
inspires everybody.
I was like, okay, this is dope. Then after Casey Neistat, I now saw Peter McKinnon and I was like, oh my God.
Yes, those are dope.
So those are two people. So from there, I just said, okay, YouTube is cool. So I like creating content. I like editing. So that's why I create, more or less.
Okay, awesome.
Sorry, one last thing.
Okay.
Then I also feel there's the spiritual part. Like God created us as humans. I feel we are also meant to create stuff too.
that makes absolute sense. God created us and we're supposed to create. But like creating in that context kind of means like technology.
No, it could mean anything now. You could create somebody who created this stuff or this phone you're holding.
It's technology now, that's what I said.
It doesn't really mean, it could be content too.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was Q&A part 1.
I will not give you the drone.
We're going to fly the drone.
Okay.
We're definitely going to fly the drone. But this was Q&A part 1. There will be a part 2 on each channel where you ask me questions. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. So thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, if you learned anything, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on another video that will take like Kagan. Peace.